Welcome to Crawfish 2024 Easter weekend. So here we are, back a year later, and we are going to cook up some Texas style, Cajun style. I say Texas style because we are in Texas, Crawfish. Okay, so first thing we've done is heat up the pool since we're going to have some family over. It is about 77 degrees right now, and the pool is set at 89 degrees. And like last year, we used the Loco cooker. This is a 2-burner Loco, and has the insert pot, and we're using basically the same ingredients that we did last year. I would say that this is probably one of the most important ingredients. It's the crawfish, crab, and shrimp oil. It's an oil, and it really does a great job getting the spices where they need to be. So we're going to use that. Like last year, the smaller potatoes that you typically see, lemons and limes, oranges, mushrooms, some sausage, garlic, celery, onion, and of course corn. So we're going to put all this together and step by step and show you how it all turns out. So a very important step obviously is to make sure you have very clean crawfish, and once we clean them we will check to see if any are dead or alive. But if you have to pick up crawfish, it's always best to pick one up from behind the claw, and it has no way of pinching you at that point. So what I do is, first off, I never add salt. It's a myth to add salt. I just basically sprinkle water, and I'll keep it running, keep the valve open, and I'll repeat this for about a 30-minute to 40-minute period on and off until the water is completely clear. Adding salt will only kill your crawfish, and you don't want your crawfish to be dead. These are fresh water, and they typically, obviously, are found in mud in Louisiana. Salt will just kill them. So fresh water is the way to go, and they will become as clean as you can get them. cut up the celery, or split in half. I usually put these green greens together, mushroom, corn, and celery. Towards the end, I will put in garlic, onion, and potatoes. Very nice. Well, throw the sausage in shortly after that. Like a comment. Garlic. Like I said, we would, with all the juices working themselves into it. Again, no need to squeeze the citrus because it will break up, as I explained earlier. Alright, more later. So here's some frozen squid crab. And I'll keep it frozen along with the shrimp. It'll cool the water down and allow the juices to soak in. So this is the way I cool down my pot, is with the frozen seafood that goes with the crawfish. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, now I have taking the potatoes, everything out. I have the shrimp, the crawfish, and blue crab. When the blue crab turns red, it will be done. We'll let that simmer. Okay, batch is done. Okay, part 2 from last year.
Hey. Oh, mamma mia. We got the bacon.
Hey.
How was it, Sandy?
Here we go.
Good.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
I guess she likes it.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's so delightful.
good. All good? Is it good?
Delicious.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, good.
Stephanie, is it good?
Delicious. They're good, Dad.
Awesome.
Very, very good.
I feel like a crawfish in the hot water.
Yeah.
All day.
Hey, bro, what's going on?
Some people like to play with their food. That'd be her.